In this video, we'll demonstrate how to varnish NeoChrome paint to create a black chrome effect by applying a black candy top coat. This is the classic application of NeoChrome paint over a glossy, hard base coat. Flash off reveals the magnificent chrome effect of this special effect paint. Application is very simple, with 2 to 3 very thin coats. Generally, you shouldn't apply more than this, as it can obscure the chrome effect. In this video, we apply the coats thick and wet to clearly demonstrate the flash-off effect. However, standard instructions recommend applying thin coats to achieve a flawless chrome effect. The chrome effect can be applied over any background color. For example, a blue background. NeoChrome paint creates a mirror-like effect, the quality of which can be compared to that of the silvering technique. Furthermore, this NeoChrome paint has many other qualities and advantages compared to all other chrome plating techniques, including anti-corrosion and anti-UV properties, but above all, easy application and varnishing. This is what we show you in this video with one of the 3 varnishing techniques. The quick option, using the Silax primer. Silax can be applied with just 10 minutes of drying time. Other drying methods include baking at 60 or 80 degrees Celsius for 2 or 3 hours, or drying at room temperature, 20 degrees Celsius, for 5 days. Silax is a transparent product that provides guaranteed adhesion, as well as 2 chrome effect fixings, and allows you to apply a varnish after just 10 minutes. It acts as a fixative. There are 3 simple and accessible techniques for applying a varnish to maintain 100% of the mirror effect of NeoChrome paint. In this video, we add candy black ink to the varnish and perform some progressive application tests on our speed shapes. In our application, we apply 3 to 5 coats of candy black. The candy black dosage should be very light, i.e., around 1 to 2%, to avoid dulling the mirror effect. Here is an easy-to-achieve finish with exceptional added value and excellent durability.